Hey, what's up, guys? This is my first YouTube video. We're gonna go to Chick-Fil-A and have a mukbang. This is gonna be great. Let's go. Damn, boy! Look at the stash. Oh my god. Let me get some hand sanitizer.
What?
It doesn't matter.
Is your mask on?
Yep.
Yep. 3 spicy chickens.
With,
Large fries, eh?
yep. Large fries and large cheese and cream.
2 with the cookie.
Yeah, 2. And then 2 12 pieces. And
A
then
tiger!
you getting mac and cheese? How many mac and cheese are we getting?
2.
That's it. And Parmesan and Chick-Fil-A.
Yeah, we definitely need Chick-Fil-A sauce.
A lot of bits.
Hi. Can we get 3 spicy chickens? Yeah.
Just a sandwich?
Yeah, just a sandwich with all of them large fries.
So 3 large fries.
Yeah, and then 2 large cookies and cream shakes.
Oh, so you wanted the meal?
Yeah, but I don't
Yeah.
want like the lettuce, tomato.
Yeah.
Okay. And then the 2 cookies and cream, and then one of them with the medium Dr. Pepper. Okay.
Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money,
Yeah, and then the 2 large cookies and cream shakes, and then 1 large mac and cheese, and then 1 medium. Oh, 2 large mac and cheese. Yeah, and then 2 12-count chicken nuggets.
2 large mac and cheese and 1 medium.
No 1 medium, just the 2 large. And then 2 12-count chicken nuggets. And then a lot of Polynesian and Chick-Fil-A sauce, and that's it. No, thank you.
Alright, can I get anything?
Julie? Thank you.
All right, thank you.
You need to check this order.
Oh yeah, for sure.
play me like a bass guitar. Simmer down and mess me up. Tripping like I'm Jimmy drumming round in your red Ford. Shivers down my spinal cord. Cause you got me holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word. Cause you got me holding.
Invest in houses.
Yep.
100%.
I would invest in a
Investment property. In a what?
Julie Pigeon.
Okay.
It's not bad.
I'm saying this while eating this.
Oh.
It's hilarious. What would you do? Was it?
Investment properties.
What is your best childhood memory of your siblings?
Of my siblings.
Damn.
It's a tough one. I mean, one thing I loved doing with my brother and like one of his friends when we were younger was wrestling. We would go to we would go to his house and just we would put like everything under the bed, like how they did in the WWE rings, like all the chairs, all the whatever it was, the chairs like that you hit with people. We would just have like one of those like fights in there, and it was just a great time.
Look. I had the same exact thing that he just said, and I'll put a picture here. Okay.
He's in the picture too.
And yeah, and he's in the picture also. That picture, and
We're all in the
she's in it
picture.
too.
I was the
Okay.
DJ because my mom didn't let me do anything with them. So I was on the computer doing the music for them.
Yeah, we literally had the belts and everything, and it was like a WrestleMania. It was awesome. That's a super good time.
Oh yeah.
I also like Mexico. We went to Mexico
hell
on
yeah.
a trip.
Yeah. That was, like,
She
one of my
wasn't
favorite-
involved that much because she had to stay in like the daycare
Yeah.
type of area. But we went scuba diving,
Snorkeling.
I have
we did it
another
all.
funny picture that I'll put right here. Me in a Speedo. Okay. Everyone here knows about that photo. That photo is iconic.
Iconic.
Legendary.
It's iconic. Iconic.
Okay.
Very iconic.
Are you gonna try this?
I'm already on the chicken nuggets. No. I'm good.
Oh shit, I haven't even had chicken nuggets. Alright, go dude.
Yeah, I eat quick.
My phone. Okay, describe your siblings in 3 words or less. Jonathan, well, we're siblings. Funny, outgoing, and laid back. Jonathan, you can do whatever you want with
For
it.
my brother, I want to say motivated, laid back as well, and could be funny at times. Could be funny at times. At times though. Sometimes he's a little, you know. But yeah.
For Julie, I would say outgoing, funny,
Yeah,
oh, and very cute, very cute, very cute. Yeah.
For Josh, I would
Oh
say.
God, for Josh, that's a
Josh-
completely different
For
story.
Josh, I would say special. Very special.
Neat.
Very. I would say special. I would say very.
No, he's
Help me out with this one.
no, he's very hardworking when it's something that he really wants.
That he's passionate about.
Yeah, what he's passionate about. He's very passionate, emotional.
Yeah.
So
He's a
more
singer,
in
songwriter.
touch with his heart, type of thing. Go. Sorry, all good qualities, you know.
Yeah. I was like, do you have another sibling? I was like,
Yeah.
okay, what are your nicknames that you have for like yourself or for each other?
Well, I go by 3 nicknames. Okay, this is what the streets call me.
The
They call me
streets?
Champagne Poppy.
Oh my god.
Like over here.
They call me Marshmallow. Okay, and then my final one, they call me 305 John the Bay Magnet.
You know what they call you?
Okay?
And you better put a picture of this. You know the little kid from Up? That's what they
Oh
call
yeah,
him.
yeah, they do call me that too. So 4.
Also the Syndrome from The Incredibles, the villain. Kind of, you know, when he was younger, he kind of looked like him.
True.
You know he looked like from Jimmy Neutron? You know like the Babe Magnet, the one with the white like setup?
What?
I'm gonna show you him and you're gonna
Yeah.
put it in there.
Okay.
I don't really got much nicknames. I mean, my name's Christian, but Chris usually. That's the only other one I go by.
Your mom calls you Gordo.
Godi, God.
All right, guys, we're full. We're done. We ate. We finished the mukbang. I answered some of your questions. All right. Stay tuned for the next episode.
For sure.
We got
Sure.
Flanagans. All right.
Oh yeah.
That's gonna be awesome. Okay.
Also challenges soon, right? In the future.
Oh, and then we're gonna have challenges.
Eating challenges.
Subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Like. Okay. Turn that notification bell on. All right. After that, that's it. We're good. Okay. See you guys next time. Peace.
Later, guys.